Will cold calling ever die or get replaced by AI?
Yes, it will get replaced by AI. No, it won't ever die. And in fact, cold calling is going to be the vehicle that the next batch of future seven-figure, $1 million a year or more producers are going to use to make that kind of money. Cold calling is getting worse, worse, and worse. There is more AI. Hi, if you let me know your name and the reason for your call, I'll see if this person's available. That kind of stuff, that AI filtering, the fact that nobody answers their phone, that's going to cause everybody to give up on cold calling. It's going to be a bunch of AI talking to another bunch of AI, screening calls, and nothing's going to happen. But if you can start leaving skillful messages like, hey, Heather, Matt Easton over here at Easton Logistics, you and I are connected because I work with the top mid-sized freight carriers there in Ohio, and man, there is something going on that every supply chain manager is having to deal with. Absolutely nobody's talking about it. I wanted to make sure you were aware of it. I'm on my mobile. 720-660-3202. When you understand a process, when you understand how to get attention and you don't care whether or not that person answers because you're going to leave them a skillful voicemail and it's going to be you, it's not going to be AI. And then when they do call you back, you're able to skillfully deliver an insight. You're able to skillfully talk to them about what's going on in the industry. You're able to say things like, how are you dealing with that? You are going to make so much money in sales. It's going to be insane because everybody else is moving away from that. Okay. They're using AI to try and run their company and it's not going to go well. So yeah, most people are going to quit cold calling. They already have. The real winners are going to figure out how to do it right.